Hi, hello, my name is Ansel John. My Chinese name is Ronghui John. And today I'm going to introduce my personal full stack project. This is my personal project named Saleswift. It is a mobile app designed to help local people to sell their used furniture quickly. Currently, it is in its first version, divided into different parts: user module, product listing module, order placement module, and category module. And this is the front end. And the front end is built with React framework and a Chinese UI tool called the End Design UI. So the backend is basically built using the Springboot framework, controller, service map, and this is the starter. And for security validation, I implemented the Spring security framework. All right, let's get started. So let's restart it. And wait for a moment. You can see this is the base page. We go to the home page. All right. Okay, let's change to the mobile mode. And this is the mobile mode. It doesn't show quickly. Try it again. Okay, so before everything, you have to log in first because you can't use any essential function without logging. So you can see you can't click to post. So it reminds you to log in first. So if you don't have an account, don't worry about it. Let's just sign up. So basically, I'm introducing the user module now. All right, let's go to the user module first. So if you don't log in, you will be visiting this app with a guest status. So we better log in first. All right, let's click please log in. All right, if you don't have an account, you just need to sign up. And please type your username. Let's call it 123. Password 123456 12345 And if you don't know whether your password is right or not, you can just see your password. Click this okay, save. Okay, let's come to the next. Your nickname, city. You can search your city. So I used all the British cities here. For example, if I want to search Newcastle, okay, Newcastle, and Newcastle, okay, and click your gender, and you can select your gender here. You can select male, female, and other genders, whatever it is. Save, okay, save successfully. And you have also need to type your PIN code, which is a code for any payment if you wish to make. And let's type it easier. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and to type again to check if it matches. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, okay. So I've done all the things for the sign up, so I can just click finish, and it will lead me to the login page, and I can log in with Jack123. My password is 123456. You can just click login, and I log in. And I can change my provide personal information here if I want. For example, I want to change my nickname into Jack1234. I can click save, and it saved successfully. So now my name be changed into Jack1234. 123, sorry. And then let's take a look at the home page. This is the home page, and let's go from the top to the bottom. And you can see a search bar here. You can actually search, for example, let's search bed, and these are the results. And if the bed is sold out, and it will have a red tag on the left top side here. And if we search sofa, we can see the sofa. If there is a post of a second-hand sofa. Okay, let's go back. Okay, and then you can choose the city. For example, if I want to choose Newcastle, you would have Newcastle, and then you will be changing to Newcastle City. And here we have the pictures shown to everybody. You can actually scroll these pictures. You can actually change the pictures if you want. And we have category. We will talk about category module later. And these are the recommend items shown here. Okay, let's post an item here. You can see we all have this round bottom floating the page, fixed position, and both page, right? And we just have to click this round button and we come to the post page. So item name, item is description. I actually made one. We just have to copy it and upload a photo, and we just need to choose a photo. And it's this item and it's uploaded. Yes, and I actually upload it to the assistant created by Alibaba, a Chinese company. Let's see here. It's called the OSS system. Let's take a look at the backend side, and we are going to upload it through this code to the OSS system. All right. Let's come back to this page. So let's choose category beds. Set the price. I think it's outside 185, and choose the city Newcastle. Newcastle. You can actually search here Newcastle, and then you will show up here. Okay, your details address Newcastle, Kings Gate, Enfield. Okay, and you just have to click the post here in the will post. Okay, so we already posted our item. So how are we going to find it? You can click me and you can click post and we can see the item here. And it's a bit slow. Okay, you can see, yeah, you can delete it if you want. Okay, this is the post function. So let's take a look at the category module. So how are we going to go into the category module page? So there are two ways. First, you can click any of this. Second, you can click here and you can click any of this. For the version 1 of this app, you only have individual seller. I haven't did any special supplier yet. Okay, so let's click, for example, I click bed, and you can see this are the posted beds as well as the bed I just posted. Okay, or you can click here, fetcher, you can go into this page, you can just click beds. Okay, and this is the category. So after going into the category page, you can actually select any of the items that you want to buy. For example, if I want to buy this bed, I just have to click this, and you click that I want now, and you can buy it. Before that, I want to show you that how you can actually add this item to the favorites. You just have to click this and it will add to your favorite successfully. So how you can check it out, you can actually go to me, and there's a favorite button here. You can just click it and you can see that this is already added to the favorite. And except this, you can also follow the user. Let's click this, and you can just have to click here, follow, and please wait, and it will follow him. So how you can check it out? Yeah, you can check it out here. Follow in, and you can see the answer, which is my name here. All right. Yes, these are the functions, and I want to change into another account and to show you how you can see your followers. Okay. All right, so this is my another account, and you can see I have 5 followers. You can see the Jack 1, 2, 3 here. So it's like this. And if you want to log out, you just have to click here. It will log out. Let's come back to the users we created today. Okay, let's we come back here. Okay, let's try actually making an order of an item. Let's try actually buying an item here. So before that, we have to make sure we have money to buy an item. So we have to click here, balance, to check out how much money we have in this app. So we can see we have no money, it's 0. But don't worry about it, we just need to top it up. Okay, let's top up £500. Yes, okay, to type my PIN code. Okay, so I'll top up £500 successfully. Okay, let's go buy an item. Yay. So we have to buy the item that has no sold out tag here. So let's try and buy this, 199.9. Okay, it's posted by Thomas. And now you just have to click I want now. And you can see your order here. The total amount of money is 199. And now you just need to click submit here now and pay and type your PIN code. And you paid successfully means you buy it, and you will have receipt here. You can check it out your receipt and back to the home page. And how we're going to find the item we bought, and you can click here your purchase, and you can see the item you just bought, the item of Thomas, posted by Thomas here, which is £199. It's kind of expensive, isn't it? All right. Now we see the item here. Now it's sold out. It has sold out tag, and we actually bought an item. So we just bought an item. Then we have to check the balance, right? And input the password. We can see the balance reduced to 301. Okay. So for the backend, it's really important. You need to be really careful dealing with the transaction things. So you have to make sure the consistency of of any transaction. So for the Springboot project, I use the MySQL database, by the way. So I add the it's here. So I put the transaction notations here to ensure that when there is for example, a breakout of systems or there's an error happening in the system, we have to make sure it will roll back. It will not reduce your balance, your money, and to make sure your money won't be paid for nothing. This is the very essential part. And yes. And those are the basic functions of this app, Saleswift. And just a reminder, I used React and Design View UI for the front end, and I used the Springboot project for my backend, and I used MySQL for the database to store your data, and for the framework of the database, I used the Mybatis-Plus, which is a really popular framework for the database connected Java in China.